Okay, welcome back to another episode of Redbeard and Son Adventures. Today, we're on a family adventure, and also today is Memorial Day. So, first off, I want to say thank you to all those men and women who have served our country to give us this freedom to be able to do what we do today. Thank you for making the ultimate sacrifice. We love you and we appreciate you. We're grateful for the veterans. So today, moving on, we are going to do a hike up to the Kings Canyon Waterfall. You guys excited?
Yes.
Yeah!
We love hikes. So what's up there?
Waterfall!
A waterfall?
Yep, it's really pretty.
Really pretty waterfall? Okay. So come along with us. We're gonna have a good time walking up this hill. Hopefully I can make it with my knees, but we'll head on up there. All right, stay with us.
Look how pretty that is.
All right, so we're just starting up the walk. We're not very far in, and look how gorgeous this is.
Can you hear the trees? It sounds like water.
Like, this is absolutely beautiful. I'm trying to zoom in and I don't know how to, but
You should go next to the pretty flowers so they can see.
so these are the bushes
Oh, what's that?
up here. These are the bushes right here that we're seeing that are just all over the place. If anyone knows what flower this is, please leave a comment. I'm not 100% sure what flower this is.
I'll look it up. We'll see.
We'll look. Barb said she'll look it up.
Smells pretty.
But so, but yeah, it's a
Look, look, look.
ooh, butterfly.
Do you see it, Connor? Look. Oh, it's huge. Right here.
What?
Right there. It just landed. Do you see it flapping its wings?
No.
Connor, look right here. Come here.
I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but there's a butterfly right there.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Now I see.
Yeah, look how big it's
So this waterfall has been here for years, and we've been coming up here since we were kids. Barb and I have, and the kids. Barb's been bringing our kids, Connor and Kelly, up here for quite a few years since doing nature hikes with friends and everything. But it's absolutely gorgeous. It's right up there past those rocks and everything. Pretty high up the canyon. But we're taking actually the back way up. So we wanted to see a different way to it and everything. And as you can see, there's some people up on the main trail heading. I think they're pretty close to the waterfall actually, but I don't know. But as you can see, I'm already huffing and puffing. I am way out of shape. So this summer, I'm going to make a challenge for myself. As a lot of you know, I'm going out for my second knee surgery. So this summer, I'm going to try to lose some weight. Try to lose about 20-25 pounds, if not more if I can. Too heavy right now, and it's not good for my knees, it's not good for my heart, so I want to try to do better. But you gonna go with me? All right. Connor said he's gonna try to get in shape with me as well, so challenge accepted. I need you, so I'm gonna ask you guys, hold me to it. So, all right, we're gonna keep going. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the waterfall. That's where the filtration system is and everything. As you can see, it looks like it's gonna be pretty full. And the water's flowing pretty hard. It's going down through there and down over here. So, I'm pretty excited. Oh, lizard! Lizard.
Where's it?
See if I can get him on camera. Cool lizard. But so yeah, there's the water, the filtration system for it. Here come the girls.
There's a ton of butterflies.
Nice.
10 of them.
All right. You ready to go up?
Yeah!
Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're not even anywhere halfway near up the mountain yet, But look at this view so far. And it just keeps going straight up. And there's the trail in, the main trail. There's a gentleman walking on it right now. But look at this view. I know I've said this in my videos before, but Nevada's a desert, 100%. It's dry. Some parts are very ugly, but you get up into here and in the mountains, it's gorgeous.
That's where
I love what.
Look, this is Sea Hill, sweetheart.
I love where we live. Ooh, look at this flower.
It's called a thistle.
A thistle.
Thistle.
Is this what Eeyore eats?
Eeyore eats thistles?
I don't know. I thought so.
Thistle missile.
But look at this, how gorgeous this is. And all the mini trails and everything we could explore this summer.
Sounds good to me.
So, all right, onward and upward. Okay, as I catch my breath, because that last little hill was pretty steep for us. Well, for me, fat broken old man. Yeah, that's me. But here come the girls. Connor's walking in circles.
I'm just kidding.
Look at these beautiful flowers that are up here though. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this valley. Here they come. Kelly looks like she's struggling.
It's hot. It's not hot, it's toasty. It's toasty.
All right. Should we keep moving?
Oh, can you hear that birdie? What's that one?
Okay, let's keep going.
Baby pine tree. Yeah.
Okay. We're on the descent to the waterfall. I don't know if you can hear. I'm going to try to stay quiet.
Ooh, Kelly, look at all the trees. That look kind of cool,
It's, we're almost there. Connor, speed demon up there, was trying to hurry to get to it. But here we go. I can hear it. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, the vegetation is getting thicker, so which means we're getting closer to water. Our kids have decided to walk super fast and get far ahead of us.
Look, this is a blue one. Blue butterfly.
Barb and I are enjoying looking at the flowers and butterflies.
Slow down, land somewhere. It's just a little blue blur.
I don't think so. But wondering if you can hear the water on the camera. There's a cool spot coming up. I don't know exactly how far down the trail it is, but really cool spot I want to show. Vegetation is getting quite thicker, the ground is getting wetter. We're getting much closer to the waterfall. Oh, he took off.
Yeah, this is where we took the picture.
Yep. Right here. So this is a little bridge right here. We took a picture a couple years ago. Yeah, look at this, how beautiful this is.
Hi.
What do you think, buddy?
Waterfall.
Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so this is the top of where the bridge is over there, down there at the bottom of the river, and leading down into the waterfall.
And our two children.
And our waterfall's right down in there. There's my beautiful bride and our crazy kids up that way. But look how gorgeous this is. And then go up onto the mountain. This is absolutely insanely beautiful. Almost there. We're gonna keep going. Look at that view. There's Carson City. That's insane. It's a pretty view. Oh, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. See the hawk or eagle bit? Yeah. This is so cool. Okay. I love it up here. Yep. Connor's throwing rocks down the hill.
Connor, do you think you're gonna hit anybody?
Let's not do that, please. There's people down there.
So let's hit ourselves. Connor, remember gravity?
What?
You remember gravity?
What's that?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Beautiful. I know I've shown the view quite a bit of the same view, but different angles of it. And this is absolutely gorgeous. There's actually quite a few people starting to walk up the hill, and there's quite a few people walking down the hill. And beautiful day. And I want to again thank our veterans for giving us our freedom so we can have a day like this. Because I don't have to work today. It's awesome. And it's all thanks to them. And to the men and women who have sacrificed their lives so we can live in this beautiful free country. And I'm grateful for that. Okay. So we made it down the hill. And around the corner, here comes the waterfall.
How do you like the trail? Not that busy.
Let me see if I can get up closer. Beautiful waterfall. We made it. So this is our destination. This is where we're hiking all day towards to come to. Absolutely gorgeous. Kelly is playing in the water. Let's see if I can get her on the camera. Here she comes. There she is. There she walks out. There's my little love bug. Hey, ladybug. Can you touch the waterfall? Okay, touch the waterfall. Be very careful. Yeah! Good job, girl. Okay, so we're still here at the waterfall. In about 1 minute, it's going to be 3 o'clock. And at 3 o'clock, there's a nationwide moment of silence for all those who have fallen so we can have freedom. So, in about 1 minute, we are going to, as a family, take a moment of silence for all those men and women who sacrificed so much and gave everything so that we could have this freedom. Because, ladies and gentlemen, freedom is not free. They paid with their lives. And I am so grateful for them and everything that they have done for us. And we're also going to take a family picture at this moment to capture, to know that where we were at this time. You ready? Uh-huh. Okay. Here we go. Okay, 3:01. Thank you for taking that moment of silence with us. We really appreciate everything that they've done for us. So grateful for this country and for those men and women. Okay, so look what Kelly's doing. She is living her best life, baby.
She's just chilling. Bliss,
Just chilling,
baby, bliss.
sunbathing on a rock. Connor is building a dam. I don't know what for. He's found a bunch of moss and everything on the rock. There's the waterfall again. And my beautiful wife just taking it all in.
Enjoying bare feet in the water.
But beautiful, beautiful day. Really cool. Okay, we're walking on our way down, almost down to the bottom to the car. It's been a wonderful hike, wonderful time. Been up here for about 2 hours. Hey, look, there's Barb and Kelly. And so it's been an amazing time on this trail.
Kelly's being Gretel.
She's being Gretel.
Yep, Hansel and Gretel.
What do you mean?
She's leaving.
Hey, let's not do that.
Cheez-Its. Not on purpose. Ooh, there's another waterfall. Teeny tiny.
Okay, let's keep going. Walking down. Let's make way. But it's been a wonderful time so far. Okay, so we made it home. We're done with the hike. Had a wonderful day. We really appreciate you guys coming along with us on this Memorial Day. If you guys like what you saw, please give us a big thumbs up and hit the like button. We appreciate you coming along with us on our family adventure to Kings Canyon Waterfall and to having that hike with us. But remember,
Make every day an adventure!
all right, thanks guys.